Salad for today. Ito. Gagawa tayo ng shrimp and vegetable salad with avocado and cherry tomatoes. At ito na nga ang ating mga ingredients. Andirito ang ating sweet corn, ang ating avocado, ang ating cherry tomato and onion, cucumber, at ang ating hot chili, green hot chili. At ang ating mga vegetable leaves. Ito ang ating mga different kind of vegetables. At ang ating sauce, lemon, olive oil, salt, and black pepper with coriander leaves. At ang hihintay natin ang ating hipon na ito ang ating isasahog sa ating masarap na salad. Yan ang ating salad sa araw na to. Yan. Yummy and healthy salad tayo, guys. Yan. Ang ating salad. Yan. Yan. Ayos na natin sa ating plato. Yan. Ang ating healthy and yummy salad. Yan. At iyan lang ang ating mga ilalagay pa, mga vegetable. Iyan ang ating cherry tomatoes. Ang ating red onion. Ayan. Ang ating cucumber. At ang ating chili. Ating green hot chili. Ayan. At ang ating corn. Dirito na rin ang ating shrimp. Ang ating yummy shrimp. Ayan, ang ating yummy and healthy salad. Yummy. Ang ating avocado. Yan ang ating beautiful, healthy, and yummy salad. Welcome to my YouTube channel. At ito na nga, gumagawa tayo ngayon ng wara anab with meat. Ito na nga, yan. Yan. Ito pa lang ang naroroll natin. Yan, kasi simula lang kasi namin. At ito ang ating mga grape leaves na ginagamit yung mga fresh ito. Inilagay lang namin sa freezer. At ito ang ating rice and meat. Yan, nagbabalot kami. At ito ang aking baby loves. Hello, she know to roll the wara anab. Mashallah.
So yummy.
So yummy.
Vote Lily President.
Yeah, she love it very much, the wara anab. This is her favorite food.
This one too soft. So
Too soft? Oh, okay. It's okay. Yes.
you can do
And
it
here,
again.
this is the another one. She's rolling to the wara anab. Her name is Bolita. Mega love shout out, Bolita. Yan. Magro-roll na kami ng wara anab.
You want to do more?
You can do more, baby.
Yes.
Okay.
Wait.
Yan. Magro-roll na tayo, guys. Let's roll wara anab. Yan. At ito na nga ang aking. This is mine. It's my turn.
Yes. Lily's master.
My masterpiece. Yan.
And then asking who's this one is the smallest one. Always do it like this.
No.
Yeah.
Tingnan mo.
Wow, mashallah, it's very nice.
It's very cutie.
Cutie. Yan o, marami tayong i-roll. Rolling wherever. Mahirap magbalot nito. Mas madali lang yung gulay, di ba? Rolling.
What is your guys' favorite?
I love the Qur'an. Mashallah, I love
Your
it.
favorite Arab.
Yeah, that's Qur'an, my favorite. Arabic food. I love Qur'an. You, what is your favorite food?
Me?
Yes, you. Qur'an. Wallah. Everyone's they want Qur'an.
Oh yeah, it's coming here.
This is the traditional Arabic food. Walang tanong.
I will choose the good one.
We're almost finished one layer, everyone.
We're finished one layer. Almost.
Enough this size.
But we will cook this baby for 5 hours.
Each time
we
you-
have
It depends on the leaves.
Yeah,
Depends. Yeah.
We will check, maybe not 5 hours.
In a
We
5
will
hours.
check every hour.
If 5 hours, what to
What you
do?
will
It's
do?
okay.
You will wait.
Of course, you can wait because this is her favorite. She's craving this much. So, yes. She's craving this every day. Yes, Mary.
Thank you a lot.
Yan, kasalukuyan pa rin kami nagbabalot. Hello. How are you? Did you enjoy wrapping bracelets?
Yes, very fun.
Very fun. Mashallah.
But it's long process.
Yes, it's long process. Should take time, but it's okay. It's amazing.
It's worth.
It's worth, of course.
This is how it looks.
Yeah, this is how it looks like.
You think it looks bad? No, it's
Yes. This is my baby loves. Mega love shout out, baby loves.
like and subscribe, everyone.
Yes, like and subscribe everyone to my YouTube channel, Lily Valenzuela.
She deserves it.
Yes, I deserve it to have more subscribers.
Yes.
Ito nga, almost half na kami ng aming mga ginagawa. Ito na ang aming na-roll. Yan, at ito pa ang ating natitirang ibabalot. Yan. Ang galing-galing na niyang mag-roll. Oh, mashallah, mashallah. Mashallah, mashallah. She's so excited to roll. Ayan. Hello,
Hello.
Miss Beautiful. How are you?
Good. Mega love.
Good. Send magalab.
Mega love shout out.
Magalab shout out.
Madlang people.
Madlang people. Yan, busy-busy pa rin kami. Mashallah, she has a very nice finger. I love her finger. Yes. Yan. Ito pa rin kami. Nagro-roll ng ating Qur'an. Yes. Nagluluto tayo ngayon ng ating halloumi cheese. Nagigrill tayo na gagamitin para sa salad. Yan. Yan. Golden brown muna natin siya. Yan. Golden brown. Yan. Yan. At ito na nga ang ating halloumi cheese na golden brown na natin siya. At ito na nga rin ang ating quinoa salad, nasaing na natin siya. At ang mga gagamitin para sa ating quinoa salad with peach, cucumber, pomegranate. Ayan. At ang ating lemon zest. Ayan. At ang ating halloumi cheese at ang ating walnuts. Ayan ang ating mga gagamitin dito sa ating masarap na salad. Natapos na rin ang ating sauce na gagamitin. Ayan. Ayan ang ating quinoa. Ang ating quinoa. At ilalagay na rin ang ating cucumber. Ating yummy and healthy at ang ating peach. Ayan. Ang ating red onion. Ang ating granada pomegranate. Ayan. At ang ating mint leaves. Ayan. Ayan, inilagay na rin. Ayan. Ilagay na rin ang ating walnuts. Ayan. Ating yummy and healthy salad, quinoa salad with peach and pomegranate fruit. Ayan. At ayan, minekos-mekos natin siya. Ayan. At inilagay na rin ang ating akawi cheese, halloumi cheese. Ayan. And at the same time, at ito na nga rin, ibinabalot na natin sa ating tortilla ang ating meat para sa ating kusidela. Ayan. Ayan, inilagay na natin siya sa ating pan para ating mag-grilled. Ang ating yummy and healthy kusidela. Beef kusidela. At ito, namekos-mekos na nga natin ang ating salad. Ayan. Ang ating yummy and healthy salad. Ito na nga, inilagay na rin ang ating sauce. Ayan. Ayan ang ating salad. At ito na nga ang ating masarap na quinoa and cheese and peach salad. Ayan. Ready to serve na siya.